What you're seeing here is a flying dinosaur that would become the ancestor of modern birds. This is Archaeopteryx. Living 150 million years ago, this creature is clear proof that dinosaurs didn't actually go extinct. Look at its anatomy. It has feathers perfectly suited for flight, but it still has sharp teeth in its mouth and a long tail like a reptile. So, when you see an eagle or even a chicken today, remember that they are descendants of this dinosaur. Which other dinosaur piques your curiosity? Let us know in the comments.